Thank you to the Colombian customer for purchasing the P2 3.84 x 2.4 meters indoor GOB soft module cylindrical screen. We greatly appreciate your trust and support. This P2 indoor GOB soft module cylindrical screen adopts the latest GOB technology, which has extremely high protection and can effectively prevent LED beads from being damaged, ensuring the stable performance of the display screen in high-traffic environments. The screen adopts a flexible design, suitable for various curved and cylindrical installation scenarios, presenting seamless display effects and vivid color expression. Whether in commercial centers, exhibition halls, or high-end corporate exhibition halls, this cylindrical screen can bring you the ultimate visual experience, enhancing the sense of technology and modernity in the space. We look forward to adding more brilliance to your project with this product.